Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. Hope you are doing great. And friends, you must be wondering where I am. So let me tell you, I am in the pandal. Actually, I've come here Sirathu for just visiting a doctor, but unfortunately, just because of it was the day of Bhandara, so I couldn't get that opportunity to meet that doctor. But yeah, I was so fortunate to take blessings from Ganpati Bappa or elephant headed god, and I came here, I took the blessings with my husband, and I think I'm so fortunate that it started raining. God started that Ganpati Bappa started showering me blessings through the rain, and I'm not the only one. All the people who are gathered here in this pandal, they were enjoying the moment just because of it was raining cats and dogs, so no one was able to go outside and enjoy the meal in Bhandara or do whatever they wanted to do. But they were so blessed, they were so fortunate to spend time in this pandal, because most of the people, they don't have any interest, I think, nowadays. So at least because of one reason, that it was raining, so they got the opportunity to be here in this pandal, and children, they were enjoying their time. Not only children, the youngsters, they will also enjoying. And it started raining heavily, so water was dripping from all the pandal. Okay, water was coming down from the pandal, and just because of this, the pandit ji, he started covering all the statues, and you can see the water from everywhere. And this is my husband, he's standing, and all the people, they will try to take pictures, and I was focused only on a dog who was also trying to save himself itself from that rain. And you can see the families, they were enjoying their time. Meanwhile, I was busy shooting that video, and now the rain has stopped within half an hour. And then you can see all the people, they were sitting on the chairs, they were sitting on the chairs, and the tables was ready to serve, and all the people, they were also ready to serve the food. And for the very first time, we couldn't get the seat, so we were waiting for our turn. And the place where I was sitting, I saw some children. Okay, and you can see before, in this time, okay, all of them, all the people, they started serving food one by one. And you could see, I could get that opportunity to see that smile on the face of child who barely get that opportunity to have good feast or to have good meal at home. And today their happiness level was out of this world. And you can see, actually, especially I like Bhandara type of thing, because in Bhandara we shouldn't think about our caste, our religion, or our what kind of person we are. We are from well reputed family, well off family, or we are from poor family. Each and everyone, no matter who you are, we sit together and we have that meal together. And it's also kind of a activity to spread that awareness among all the people, that there shouldn't be any kind of caste or criticize anything depending on the caste, creed. Yeah, there are diversity, but we should believe only in one thing, that we are human beings, and we have to behave, we have to treat everyone with the same love, with equal love and affection. And you just see, right now I'm sitting on the chair, and they were serving the food, and actually I went there just to visit doctor because I have been suffering from fever and mouth ulcer for a very long time, but unfortunately I couldn't. But this thing turned out as a very fortunate thing, and you can see this is the place where food was being made, and all the people, most of the people from this city was busy doing that. And actually Sirathu is a place which belongs to our UP's deputy CM Keshav Prasad Maurya. Okay, so he also contributed in this, and not only he, all the public, all the Baniya, especially Kesharwani, who belongs to this city, they have collected the money, and after that this Bhandara was held. And it's not the very first time actually I have joined that Bhandara. I have been joining that Bhandara for so many years. I think this is my 7th year. I got that opportunity to have that prasad from here, and I'm so lucky. So tell me, have you ever joined, have you ever got opportunity to join any Bhandara or not? Or do you like having prasad in Bhandara or not? So we will meet tomorrow. Till